Hi there, Chef Gene here. And grabe, ito ang gusto kong pakita sa inyo. Ito, medyo confusing kasi ang tawag sa ibang dialects, katulad ng Visayan, is limoncito. This is actually, the scientific name is Triphasia trifolia. Okay? And in Kapampangan, they call this Dayapchina. So medyo confusing kasi sa ibang dialects sa Bisaya, ang limoncito is calamansi. But these are small little citrus fruits. And ang usage nito, medyo spicy siya. Medyo citrusy ang lasa niya. Hindi siya ganun kaasim. Okay? One of the uses of this is placing it on achara to flavor the achara and make it a different kind of achara. This was widely cultivated in the 1960s. Hindi ko alam, siguro may alam na lang nito bonsai enthusiast, pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala tong halaman na to at ang hirap ng hanapin. And I'm trying to cultivate this just because early Filipinos during the turn of the century, they were using this to flavor a lot of their fruits, a lot of their jams, a lot of their achara, a lot of their pickles. Yon. So, gamitin natin to. Guys, ito may konting achara akong ginawa. Tinimplahan ko ng konting julienne of carrots, papaya, green pepper, red pepper para maganda kulay, may sibuyas, okay? And the dressing is very simple. Vinegar, sugar, salt, okay? Some people like to put a little patis or umami, ano? May sibuyas, may shallots na maliliit. Okay? During the ancient times, not really that ancient, pero during the turn of the century, in the early 1900s, nilalagyan nila nito pampaganda at pampaiba ng lasa ng achara. Makikita nyo magiging iba lasa ng achara natin. I'll give this 1 week. And I'll serve this with anything na tuyo. Inihaw, pork chop, fried chicken, kung ano meron. Napakasarap. Okay? Dayapchina or limoncito in Filipino, and we should revive this plant.